Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to update your Joy-Cons and any controllers on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the section called Controllers and Accessories. Now would be a good time to make sure the controllers you want to update are connected. You can check by navigating on this settings page, and if it works, they are connected. Scroll down in here and choose Update Controllers, and if there are available updates, these will download and install now. Otherwise, it will say that your controllers are already up to date. That's how to update your Joy-Cons and any controllers on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video